दोस्तों, इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हो, और ठान लिए तो डेफिनेटली बोलेंगे। इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान एक ड्रीम है इंडिया को चेंज करने के लिए, और इस ड्रीम को पूरा करने के लिए सूरज सर स्टार्ट किए हैं बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक कॉम्पिटिशन, जिसमें क्या होता है कि हर सप्ताह एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है, और उस टॉपिक में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो होते हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, जो इंग्लिश को सीखना चाहते हैं, फटाफट इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, वे लोग क्या करते हैं, एक वीडियो बनाते हैं और सूरज सर को सेंड करते हैं। उसके बाद उन्हीं लोगों में से जिनका वीडियो बढ़िया होता है उनको चुना जाता है, सेलेक्ट किया जाता है और फिर वोट करवाया जाता है। तो आप आज हैं इस वीडियो को देखने वाले और वोट करने वाले। इस वीडियो में आपको बहुत सारे लोगों का वीडियो मिलेगा जो इंग्लिश बोलते हुए आपको दिखेंगे। आपको बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा स्पीकर जो है वो बेस्ट स्पीकर है। Really, I tell you, you can also participate in this competition and you can be great in this speaker. This is my guarantee. तो सर, आप कैसे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं? तो देखिए, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको ग्रुप मिल जाएगा, एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का, जहां पर आपको टॉपिक दिया जाएगा इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड, हर वो चीज़, वर्ब फॉर्म्स और सारा चीज़ जो आपको इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए चाहिए, और उससे आप जुड़कर इंग्लिश को बोल पाएंगे। और आप हमारा इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान का एप्लीकेशन में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और घर बैठे इंग्लिश तो सीख ही सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ पैसे भी कमा सकते हैं। तो इस वीडियो को पूरा अंत तक देखिए। जो आपको बेहतर लगे उनका नाम आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना है। बस जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा वोट मिलेगा वो होंगे विनर, और वो उनको मिलेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक कॉम्पिटिशन का सर्टिफिकेट, साथ ही साथ कुछ रिवॉर्ड। तो थैंक यू, वॉट this video till the end, and really I tell you it will be amazing experience for you.
Hi friends, my name is Wangsan from Gobocharabad, and today my topic is attack. You know that the attack is very important in our life. Without attack you can't live in this world, and most of the countries are fighting now this time. And why are the countries fight with all country? He want to win the match because I am strong, you don't do anything. So all countries are fighting now this time, and if you will fight anyone people, and if you can't fight with him, then all people will say that he is very weak boy or girl. And if you can fight with all people, and that all people will tell that he is very strong, he is not timid, he is very strong boy or woman. Thank you, bye friends, bye.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. My name is Hemant Patel and I'm from Gujarat. So today guys, I'm here to speak about a wonderful topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic name is attack. So these days the word attack has become very popular. Why? Because every country is attacking to each other. But the question is, why they are attacking to each other? What should they want? I think every country wants money. Every country wants property. Every country wants border. And every country wants to become more powerful from another country. But it is no use, because if we want live together and if we want live with peacefully, there is only way peace, and we should follow Mahatma Gandhi's way, ahimsa parmo dharma. If we follow the rules of Mahatma Gandhi, we can be live together and peacefully. So we should not attack to another country, another people. People should understand that attack is not solution to every problem. If we want attack to another, then we should attack our own thoughts, and we should attack our own thoughts. They become pure. If we want attack, then we should attack casteism, poverty, and corruption. If we do that, then our country and our world uh, become paradise heavens. So we should not attack to another people, or we should not attack to another country. Our world is very beautiful, and we should keep live together and peacefully. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my video. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for giving this opportunity in this time. I hope so well. I am doing well. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And let us start my topic. My topic is attack. Attack means it means by hamla. It is the important, crucial, and initial and significant and part of life. When if you attack the people considered are poor, without you cannot attack anyone. And if you any dog, German Shepherd are touched, so you have definitely attack. You have, and the doctor treatments are attack body, and the policeman attack thieves, soldier attacks launches in enemy, and Pakistan attack India. And thank you for that's all enough today my topic.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Ved Pandey, and thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity for speaking such a beautiful topic, that is attack. An attack means trying to hurt someone or something. It can help in many ways. Some people attack other by hitting or using weapon. So this is called a physical attack. Some people attacks with words by shouting, saying bad words, bad things, or bullying. So this is an emotional or verbal attack, and in today's world, attacks can even happen through computers. There are called cyber attacks. No matter what kind of attack it is, one thing is clear: attacks can harmful, and they cause pain, fear, and damage. When someone is attacked, they feel unsafe, so they make scared or hurt. This is a why attack should never be used to solve problems. So sometimes we should talk, and we should listen. We should try to understand each other. Peace and kindness and respect. So these are the best way to solve problem. If someone makes mistakes, we can forgive. If someone hurt you, we can speak calmly. So words can heal you and can uh, mm, give you a wound also. So I think some so every time we should not forget the mistakes and all these things. We should also uh, we should also focus on those things, that if someone is attacking again and again, we should retaliate that. Don't try to forget all the things. That's why the Lord Krishna has given some has said in Mahabharata that yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata अव्युत्थानम धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. So he says that whenever dharma is take over by adharma on the earth, hey Arjun, so then I take birth on earth. So I take birth for safety and for defending the sadhu and good ones, and for the destruction of evil. I take birth for the reestablishment of the dharma. So it is very important to uh, to retaliate some the attack. Thank you everyone for listening me. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.